working on the TSX. We're trying to get the crash module, which is in here, right there. So I have to figure out the best way to get to it. Because I'm practicing on the dummy vehicle, so when I get to the wagon, I know exactly what to do. But see, I just take this out, and I might be able to get to it. So I'm gonna test it out. Okay, so I took out a little clip right here. Slide it down, and now I have access. Now I have access to it. So I gotta remove this connector first, and I can start working on the actual, I guess, screws that hold it in place. Okay, so I got one of the clips out, one of the connectors. It is doable, but it is not that easy. What I did is I use a pick. You have to, let's see if I can show you with this one. More or less that's how it is. You have to pry this section down right here. Pry it down like that. And then you just pull this bottom section. And just pull this bottom section out. Just pry it back towards that side. Hopefully you was able to see that. I'm not sure how good the angle was, but now we're just gonna start working on taking out the screws for the actual unit. So I think we gotta take this off to get this clip off. And there's the screw we gotta take out. Okay, so I got it out. The problem, there's 3 bolts. There's one on this, one on each side, and one in the back. So we got the TSX back. We just want to do a quick cleanup. Right now I'm gonna put in the disconnect the battery, put in the airbags and the SRS module. So this way I can pass the inspection, which should be sometime next week, and I can get this over with. So this is in the SRS module we had that was repaired by Safety Restore. So I'm gonna plug it in. The battery is disconnected. I'm gonna hook this up. As you see, this is why I have to clean this whole thing out, because this looks like a hot mess. Ugh. So I'm cleaning it out, getting ready for the inspection process, and then hopefully everything goes smoothly. Just gonna take this out, take this portion off. New, old. Look like different leather, or maybe just better leather because it's brand new. The new bag is in. I did not connect the batteries yet. I connected the SRS unit down there. So I'm gonna let it sit for a little bit longer and clean up a little bit, and then hopefully turn the battery on. Hopefully no issues show up, because right now that was the only issue that was showing up on this on the dashboard. Overly cautious or paranoid, whatever you want to call it. So far so good. Oh, look like everything is off. Just need an oil change. Oh, the trunk. The trunk is closing. So I just got a seat belt. Let's see how this works. Ooh, just got a tire pressure and the service light because I think I have to do an oil change. Check tire, oil level 10%, 124. Yeah, I think those are what those two are for, and I think we should be good. Ooh. Yeah, this thing's dirty. I'm about to get someone to come clean this because cleaning ain't my strong suit. So, I'm starting to do a little bit of mod. The other tail lights were completely blacked out, dirty, and looking like these. So, let's see if I can sand them down to at least, you know, have a nice little backup here. But they painted them black, so they look like crap. So we're just switching it, putting these in. That's how the new ones look. And this is how the old one looks. It's all painted, so I have to clean these off. So I have to sphere back up and just install these now. So this is the view of the car in the daytime. Still a hot mess. Everything is in. But these are the wagon. These are the Jadium taillights. So it does improve the look a little bit. It's definitely better than the whole complete black ones. Ugh. But yeah, so far, not bad. Okay, so I took out a little clip right here, slide it down, and now I have access. Now I have access to it. Pry it down like that, and then you just pull this bottom section. You just pull this bottom section out. Pry it back towards that side. Hopefully you was able to see that. I'm not sure how good the angle was, but now we're just gonna start working on taking out the screws. And there's the screw we gotta take out. Okay, so I got it out. The problem, there's 3 bolts. There's one on each side and one in the back.